you guys doing? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is 29th of October 2025, and in this video you guys are going to be getting prepared with me for my professional training. I told you guys in my last video that we are changing our profession and we are getting trained for it. And I told you I'm going to be taking you guys to every step that I'm going to be taking on this training. Okay, and I'm so excited because I have just 2 days to stay at home. After 2 days we are going to be starting this training, and basically I need to get some of the items that I need. They sent all the information to me online yesterday. They sent everything to me, like the list, everything we are going to be needing, like the program, when we are going to go on holidays, the outfit that we are going to put on, because they told us that we cannot put on any outfit, so it has its own special outfit. So you guys saw me in my last video that I go to Zara to look for the trouser and white button-down t-shirt that I need, but I could not find in that particular store. So I'm going to be going to another store to check if I will find, and then also maybe shoes, and get the jacket as well, get the trouser, the button down, and yeah. And I think I also need to change my hair, because you guys know it's training and I don't want to be like, I just need something simple. Maybe I'm going to go on braid. Like this braid can last me maybe 2 to 3 months. Like this I'm free, because I don't want to be getting like rushing in the morning, rushing to do this, rushing to do hair. I just want like simple hair. And maybe in this video I'm going to be doing my hair like this. I'm free, and I'm going to be getting my nails done as well. You guys take a look at my nails, very rough. I'm going to be also getting my nails pressed on by myself. I don't used to go to any store, because when you want to do your nails, it's very expensive. So even the hair is expensive as well, so I don't want to start wasting money on my hair, on my nails. So I got some outfits online that we are going to be unboxing. I don't want to mention their name because they did not sponsor these videos, but anyways, if you like any of these outfits, I might put the link on the description box. I need a scissors. Let me get the scissors. So yeah, I got my scissors. So let's open, let's see what is inside. Okay, this is actually my first time that I am getting something from there. I got a lot of things, you guys. Oh, I got these shoes. This and this. So let's see this one first. Okay, this is a black trouser pants. It has this band on the waist, and it's kind of stretchy. I don't know how the size is going to be on me. I might put it on the screen like this. You guys will get to see how it looks on me, but I think this is nice. I love how the legs, the down of the leg, how it is flexible. Let's see this other one. So this is a baggy brown trouser, boyfriend trouser, or what they call it. This is so beautiful and cute. I needed something so simple, easy to throw on, but the problem that I have was that I would have sized down. Instead of me sizing down, I took my normal size, and this was too big for me. As you guys can see, the leg is just drawing on the floor. I also took this sweater as well, and I love this, so beautiful. The quality is very nice and stretchy and comfortable on the body. I love it, you guys. This is actually for me. Too bad that the trouser is too big. I love how the hand is. This one is for me, not too big, but I just think when you are buying any outfit from them, just size down, don't size up, because maybe if you are using size medium, you can just miss it. At times you can miss it, like take small and then take medium. Easy something to throw on. So I got these shoes as well. This is very beautiful. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful, you guys. So the next one that I also got is these two pieces. Material is very nice. Okay, so this is how the one is. The down is just like this, and it's very comfortable, stretchy. And I love this. I love how the down is. Look at the trouser right here. You know, it's got the side cut right here and the other side and the back like this. I don't know if any other person do it, but I do this a lot. When I'm cold, I just drag it like this and then I fold my hand like this. Fast stretchy. And yeah, this is cute. This is cute. I also got a bag as well, a brown bag. The quality of those things is very, very good for that price. I did not even expect the price to be like that. So this is how the bag look like, and the inside is like this. Yeah, this bag can easily go in with your phone and still have space for another things. I love this bag, and it comes with a rope. Yeah, I think I forgot to show you guys. Yeah, it comes with a, you know, a rope to carry it. Yeah, I got another 2 pieces, just like the previous one you saw on me. If you're that kind of person that love oversize, you know, you don't need to even size up. You can just, you know, take your normal size. But if you know you doesn't like oversize like me, you can just size down. All the outfit is beautiful, but you know, they are a little bit big for me. How you guys doing? So we're actually going to pick Priscilla and her cousin, because Priscilla is not at home for like 2 to 3 days. She actually went to visit her cousin, and also to pick her cousin like this, we can take them out, because we have planned that we are going to take them out. It's a beautiful day and it's kind of sunny, so like this they can also enjoy their, you know, enjoy their self. So yeah, look at them, they are like twins. Be careful, be careful. Attention. Doucement. Hey, see them over there. When these two, they are together, it's something else.
Feeling like Jonah, brother turn low now. How we gonna find our way? Feeling like Moses, man, the Lord chose us. Now we gotta find our way. Feeling like David, man.
Choo-choo. Babe, maybe we should take this one. This is so beautiful. Before, it's not here. They just have put this thing here. Wow, it's cute.
Bonjour.
Allez, ils l'ont déjà fait.
Oui.
La carte du site.
Non.
Alors,
Ah, sur le site.
comment il s'appelle?
Priscilla.
Thiago.
Thiago.
Dès que je vous appelle les enfants, ça veut dire que c'est terminé. Vous devrez aller à la sortie qui est là-bas, d'accord?
Allez, l'entrée.
Allez. Allez, au revoir. Ciao, les enfants. Babe, you stay with them like this. I go to check Zara. 2 fois une heure, oui.
Alors, 28, ça fait 28, il faut encore payer 4.
Voilà.
Alia, Ethan, sous les mains, les papas.
Sorti.
Alia, Ethan, sous les mains.
They are right there.
More to the end, 'cause all that I needed.
Écrasé.
Ah bon, ça t'est bien passé?
Ils nous écrasaient comme ça.
Ah ouais.
Et les moyennes boules, ils étaient fous comme ça.
Ah bon, comme ça.
On se faisait écraser par des gens, on restait tout au fond, on n'arrivait même pas à arriver.
Think about this white one, what I took. Look at the price. 17.99. 30 euro for one trouser and 18 euro for this top. This is not the white that I actually want. This for me, let me just put this thing inside. I'm going to look for my shoes and then jacket, because I'm looking for blue jacket. Good job. Cheese. That's my baby. So yeah, let's go. They don't want to go again. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, another surprise, okay? Now we are going to another place. Another surprise, okay? Are you ready? Yeah. Okay. We are going inside. Use your belt, your seat belt. Oh yeah, use your seat belt. Shall I go use your seat belt, okay? Oh, deux, trois, hey! One of their favorite. No mercy. Hi guys, so this is the next day, and you guys, the kids were so excited yesterday. You know, they were so happy, and you know, we were full, like everybody have ate KFC. You know, our stomach was like, ooh, it was big, and the kids were so happy. It was also like to show you guys the jacket that I got, because after that Zara, we went to another Zara to get my jacket, because I need the jacket. I cannot, you know, it's cold now, and I cannot just wear just this one. I needed something like to cover up, and they also told us as well the type of jacket that we are going to be putting on. And yeah, so you guys saw me when I took this t-shirt. This is not really what I'm going for, but for the moment this is something that I can found like to start with. After, I'm going to be looking for another another button down long sleeve t-shirt. Yeah, white button down t-shirt. And you guys saw the trouser as well. This is how the trouser is. I love the way the trouser is. Like, I tried it this morning. It looks good and beautiful, you know, and I just love how it get to my belly. So I got this jacket like this, and the neck is just like, I love this blazer, you guys. It's so beautiful. I love the way the front is. It has this one button at the front here. It has this, not pocket, but it has a designer, like something like pocket in this place. The color is blue, and the trouser as well is blue, and I love it. Yeah, it's beautiful. I took S because it's blazer. Even the S, I don't want oversized. I don't want something that is, you know, too much big on me. I want, you know, something that will just look smart and, you know, comfortable. The hand of this blazer is a little bit long. Yeah, I'm still going to, I don't know, maybe I'm probably going to be folding it like that for the moment, or I can take it to one of these stores. $99.95 that I got this blazer, and I love it. Kind of expensive, because I was looking for blazer around maybe $50 or $60, and the one that I found is just those long one, and I don't like that long one. I don't like the one that is too much long. I want something that will just fall on top of my trouser or on top of my pants. Not too much long, just short. And that was the main reason that I took it. The one that I was seeing was, you know, was a little bit long, and as well doesn't match with this trouser what I took, because I've already took this trouser, and then I cannot change it anymore because I love how this one is, and I wanted something that would just, you know, go with it. I don't want different color, like I don't want blue, light blue or stuff like that. I wanted something that really matches with the trouser. And when I found this on another Zara, I was like too much excited. So this is the trouser, and this is the blaze that is going to go on it. Guys, our soup is ready. Take a look at that. Stop. I think this one is okay. I like something like this. This one is even more better than that one yesterday that I saw. I need something that will be more comfortable on my leg. No, this one is not for us. But this one is fine anyway.
Oh, t'as des paillettes, mais...
Let me show them your hair. That's crazy.
Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart, but it bleeds the truth. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo.